Sheriff's Department, search warrant.
Penegak hukum dari kantor Sheriff San Bernardino County di negara bagian California baru-baru ini merazia sebuah kebun ganja ilegal di Newberry Springs, wilayah gurun sekitar 2 jam perjalanan mobil dari Los Angeles.
You have large parcels of land. The property is a little bit cheaper up here than it is in some other cities. And the marijuana plant's a tropical plant, so this provides a great environment for the plants to be cultivated in.
Ganja alias marijuana sebenarnya dijual legal di California berkat hasil referendum pada 2016.
With the explosion of the black market, I would say it has to do part into a lot with the taxation of marijuana in the state of California. Some of these permits to actually cultivate, manufacture, distribute, some of those licenses are upwards of $100,000.
Kepolisian juga menggerebek sebuah rumah dekat perkebunan.
Some of this stuff as well, these composition books, or like their payo sheets, where they'll log a lot of their sales and who they may owe money to.
So in a case like this, they might try to argue, oh, he's just growing it, but there's other indicators here that show differently, and this just aids that.
Bukan hanya masalah penghindaran pajak yang menjadi perhatian polisi.
This type of pesticide, this triazicide, is an insect killer, as it says on the packaging. It's designed for lawns, not for ingestion. Unfortunately, we'll see a lot of cultivations like this, illegal cultivations, using both legal and illegal pesticides.
Peneliti di Pusat Riset dan Pendidikan Cannabis Nasional di University of Mississippi menyoroti bahayanya peredaran ganja yang tak diregulasi dibandingkan yang diproduksi oleh pihak yang mendapat lisensi pemerintah daerah.
You have to adhere to strict testing for those products. So they have to meet certain criteria because there's laws in place that state you have to test it for pesticides, heavy metals, aflatoxins, and so forth. And so you know what you're getting in that product. It's fairly precise in terms of the percentage and the dosage.
Secara federal, ganja masih ilegal di Amerika Serikat. Meski telah direklasifikasi ke tingkat bahaya lebih rendah, ganja hanya dilegalkan di tingkat lokal. Mayoritas negara bagian di Amerika Serikat melegalkan ganja setidaknya untuk keperluan medis. 24 negara bagian dan juga daerah khusus ibu kota Washington DC membolehkannya untuk digunakan secara rekreasional. Tapi di setiap negara bagian yang melegalkannya ada aturan dan regulasi sendiri untuk mencegah terjadinya gangguan atau efek kesehatan yang negatif bagi warga. Dari Washington DC, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.